Good morning, all of you. Welcome to KGP online classes and welcome back to environmental studies class. In our previous video, we studied about cleanliness and we also learned some few healthy habits that we should be following in order to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. And now let's continue this topic, this chapter cleanliness, and in this video we are going to start with the topic waste. Waste can be, what is waste? Important thing is, what is waste? The things that we throw away because they are of no use to us are called as waste. It can be anything that is no longer useful to you. It can be discarded old paper, plastic bags, broken glass, old toys that you're not longer using, metal scraps, peels of fruits and vegetables, old torn clothes, even when you sharpen your pencil and the pencil shaving, that everything is a waste because it is no longer of any use to you. Now that we have learned about waste, we are going to learn about its harmful effects on our environment. If the waste is not disposed properly, if it is not dumped properly, it can be really harmful for our environment and then for us. What is the main problem it can create is land pollution. If you throw the waste not in the dustbin but anywhere, like in the road, on the road, in water, it can cause harmful effects to our environment. As you might have, when you move out, and you must have seen big heaps of garbage. That garbage pollutes our earth, pollutes our land, and many mosquitoes can born here, germs can born here, and it can definitely affect us. Second, water pollution. If again the waste is not disposed properly, that waste sometimes can go in the water, and that water we drink. Now, do you want to drink dirty water? No, right? But few people do this. They throw the garbage in the water, and that garbage harms the sea animals, marine life. That will also harm our environment. Third, many diseases. Many diseases can happen because of the improper waste management, like diarrhea, typhoid, jaundice, malaria. All these diseases can happen if you drink dirty water, or if the mosquitoes or flies sit at your food that you are taking. The mosquitoes that are born because of the garbage bites you. It can cause you dengue, malaria, and these all diseases are really harmful for our health. So we really need to learn about the harmful effects of the waste on our environment and on us as well. Now we are going to learn about types of waste. We have learned about waste, its harmful effect on us and our environment. Now it's time to distinguish between the types of waste. There are two types of waste that we are going to learn. First is biodegradable waste, that is also called as wet waste. Next is non-biodegradable waste, that is also called as dry waste. Now the biodegradable waste is called as wet waste because it rot easily. Waste that rot easily is called wet waste, and waste that does not rot is called as dry waste. Under this, so I have taken two bowls. and in one green color bowl I have taken the wet waste, and in this blue bowl I have taken dry waste. What is wet waste? Now we are going to learn what is wet waste. All the peels of fruits and vegetables, discarded paper, natural fabrics, garden waste such as flowers and leaves, all of this is wet waste that can rotten and decompose easily. Now this is a banana peel, okay? It has turned into black color. From yellow it has turned into black color. Why? Because it can rot. It can decompose because of water, air, heat, sunlight. It has water, air, heat, sunlight has turned this into black color. And if I'm going to put this under soil, it will dissolve easily in the soil, okay? It will decompose easily, it will rot away. That's why we call this as wet waste. All the peels of vegetables, peels of fruits, garden waste, fallen leaves, these all are wet waste. Now I've also taken discarded old paper in this. Now you might ask that this paper is dry, so why do we call it wet? Why do we call it wet waste? We call it wet waste because it can easily rot. It can easily decompose in water because of sunlight and in soil. I can easily tear it, okay? You can see it, I can easily tear it, and if I'm going to put it in water, it will dissolve. It will take few days, but it will dissolve and it will not harm our environment, in fact directly, okay? Now the second type of waste that we are studying is the dry waste. Dry waste is called dry waste can be plastic bags, the wrappers of food that we eat, biscuit, chips, anything, the metal scraps. The metal scraps can be dry waste. Anything that is made from plastic is called as dry waste. Why all this is called as dry waste? Because it cannot rot, it cannot dissolve. Even if I put it in water, if I bury this in soil, it will not rot, okay? It will remain like this for months, for years, for even million of years. So this will definitely harm our environment. So everything that cannot rot, we call this as dry waste. Now that we have learned about types of waste, we need to learn that how these different waste should be managed, okay? So that's why now we are going to learn about types of dustbin. In different color dustbins, we throw different types of waste. Today I'm going to teach you about two types of dustbin. One is of green color that is used for only wet waste, and another is of blue color that is used only for dry waste, okay? So I've made two dustbins. In the green one, we are going to put all the wet waste. We put all the wet waste in the green color dustbin so it can be recycled, and that can be reused by other people and in through different manner. And we put the dry waste in the blue dustbin. All the things that cannot be got away, these cannot be directly decomposed, but if we put them in the blue dustbin, we can recycle them in one another way and use them again. But to do that, we need to learn to put different types of waste in different types of dustbin. So the people who are going to recycle them can do that easily. They can differentiate easily, okay, between the types of waste. Now that we have learned about the types of waste and what kind of waste we should put in different types of dustbin, we are going to learn that what our country India is doing to keep our planet, our country healthy. So our Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a campaign on 2nd of October 2014, and that campaign was called as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Mission. What was the main motive of this campaign? The campaign was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary. So it was a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi and it was launched at Rajghat, New Delhi. The main motive of this campaign was to start a clean drive, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked all of us Indians to take a pledge to do our part by cleaning our country. So that was the main motive, and it was started on 2nd of October 2014. Okay, so and now under this topic, I'm going to give you one activity. Okay, so whenever I'm in class with my students, I love to do different kinds of activities with them. And I'm going to give you one activity to do. You all have to make these two dustbin. And what is the material required for them are 2 empty cardboard boxes like these. You can take one green color and one of blue color sheet, a pair of scissors and glue. And you can definitely bring creativity that you like. Be creative, make them fancy, make them pretty as you want to, and do make this and clear and share pictures with me. I'm also going to share a link with you in the description of this video where you can find that how I made these dustbin, okay, and you can learn from there and you can try this at home. Please do that, because if you want to see a change around your surroundings, you should start that within yourself, by bringing a change within yourself. So please do that. So in today's video, we learned about cleanliness and how important it is, what are the healthy habits we can adopt for cleanliness, and about waste, different types of waste, and how we can manage the disposal of waste. And we also learned about what our country is doing to make our surroundings healthy by starting a campaign, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This was it in the video, and I'm ending it here. Thank you so much.